Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what we have today? Look fantastic. It is the February box, so let's get in here and see what we've got. You've heard me say in the past, glossy box, look fantastic. They are some of my favorite boxes because when there is skincare in them, for some reason the skincare that comes in these boxes always seems to treat my skin more nicely, and I just love that. So let's open this up while I tell you a little bit about it. This box comes from the UK. It is sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest review. And they have given me a link where if this is something that you have any interest in, I will put it below. And if you sign up for an annual, you will get your first box for $1. And then the rest of the year, it will be $16 a month. Plus, the beauty part of an annual with Look Fantastic is you don't have to pay for the year in advance. You just commit to the year, but you pay the $16 monthly. I think that's kind of cool. If you don't want to do an annual though, you can do it month to month. I think it's $19. You don't get your first box for $1, but still, it's a really good deal. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. And here's our booklet. And it will tell us information about what's in the box. Plus, it will give us more information. See how thick a pamphlet it is? Look Fantastic is in the UK, kind of like Sephora is here. It is the biggest cosmetic retailer in Europe, and this is the beauty box that they do. So they have access to some really great stuff. When we open it up, that is what we have on the that's what we have on the inside. I set it down before I drop it everywhere and give it a look-see. All right, time for glasses. And this is the Look Fantastic Beauty Box Edit. It's time to be your own soulmate. Discover, learn, inspire. And when we open the booklet up, we have all the information that we need about all of the products that are in here. So let's just dig right in and see what we've got. Reaching in, right on top, I have the Magnetone London 2-pack Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removal Pads. Removes makeup with just water. And that's what that looks like. These have become so popular the world over. I have some that are from like Daily Concepts, and we have little makeup remover ones, but oh, these are puffier than those. These are so, oh, they're soft. These are so cute. Look, it's got the chevron design on it. We have gray and kind of a pinky peach. They are so, oh, I don't have any that are this soft. That is amazing. The booklet says 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin, as no cleanser is needed. I can't bring myself to do that. Can you? They have said for years, I use Norwex washcloths on my face instead of regular washcloths. And the beauty of them is, in theory, you can use them without cleanser. I use them in addition to my cleanser and still love them, but I haven't been able to pull off cleansing with just water. Simply throw it into the washing machine after use and reuse thousands of times. That means no more disposable makeup remover wipes going into the landfill. And I can get behind that. And there are no values here, so I will try and let you guys know if I can find the values. Sometimes with the UK products, it's a little tough, but I'll let you know what I can. Next, we have the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. And that is what that looks like. And it is 6 ml or 0.2 US fluid ounces. So it is a deluxe sample. When we take it out, we've had Illamasqua in the past. I love the shape of these. Isn't that just so cool? It looks like a 1950s pot of something good to me. It just really has a vintage look to me. It reminds me of something I would have seen like on my grandmother's vanity. Combining 2 of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydro Veil Primer and the Beyond Powder, this face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day, whilst also providing a luminous natural glow. It has vitamin C and fruit extracts in it. Interesting. I'll go ahead and try it. I'm a little nervous because of the vitamin C, and you guys know how incredibly sensitive I am. Oh, look, it's just so cute. But we'll give it a try. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it kind of has a creamy color. It's a little bit on the top, so I'm just going to take that off. And when I put it on the back of my hand, I hope you guys, yeah, there you go. It's just a little bit that I grabbed. It's kind of got a creamy, peachy color to it. Oh, it smells nice. Just like a light lotion smell. It's not citrusy or fruity, or it's just a very light lotion scent. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I just went back to rub it across my hand. My hand has already absorbed it. It does feel primed. It feels kind of like, who made the primer that was a little sticky? was it Cover FX that made the sticky primer, and that's kind of how this feels. It feels almost a little bit tacky. When you rub across it, it doesn't, but if you do that, it does. That might make it work really well for a primer. And it did make my hand kind of shiny in that one spot. I'll give that vitamin C a chance. Next we have a Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. I will not be using this one. It is 10 ml, 0.34 fluid ounces. That is what it looks like. A chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. Whenever I see plump, I think, yeah, I don't need help with that. Its blend of AHAs encourages the shedding of any dull or dry skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial on blemish-prone skin. Okay, first of all skin types, and blemish-prone skin. That is absolutely not what I have. I am the opposite of that. I am so dry. And it says it has AHAs, lactic acid, malic acid, glycolic acid, tartaric acid, kaolin clay, and linden. Yeah, definitely out. I hope that it's sealed and I can pass it along. It is. It's got a nice seal on it, so I will put it down there in my giveaway pile. And I'll hope soon I can go back to the post office and doing giveaways. All right, next I have an Illamasqua Papaya Enzyme Peel. Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator. So this is the month that we are getting this palette peeled. That is what that looks like. And I do love an Illamasqua product, particularly the Pro Collagen line. But I do try some of their stuff out of different ranges. So let's see what this says. So the Illamasqua was actually a variation. You could have gotten this or the Madara SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. But this says a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect, and clarify your skin. Ideal for all complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result, smooth, moisturized, and brighter skin. It has papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. Well, I will tell you, that all sounds far less scary than the other one. So if you have tried this, let me know what you think. Should I try it on my sensitive skin or shall I take it a pass? I would love to know what you guys think. All right, next we have the, it's very little, Galactic Lid Gloss. Lid Gloss. Words you don't often hear together. That is what that looks like. It's got a nice cover over it, so we'll take that off so we can play with it. This is a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. And it is in Zodiac or Stardust, and I received it in Zodiac. This is a warm rosy copper. If you had gotten Stardust, it was a shimmering silver. Swipe color across the lid using the applicator. Build up where necessary. Blend using your finger or your brush. Well, let's get in here and check this out. I have to know what a lid gloss looks like. It's even sealed inside that. I didn't expect that to be the case since it was sealed so well on the outside. Right. That is what it looks like straight out of the tube. I'm not sure that I can use something called lid gloss, but I am very intrigued. Oh, that is this is much more normal than I expected. I don't know if I was expecting like it to be like a gloss. It's not. Don't get me wrong, plenty shiny. And I've just blended it out too much, I think, but that's really pretty. It's just a nice coppery liquid eyeshadow. Has a lot, I hope that is coming across, has a lot of sparkle to it. Let's leave that for a minute and see how it dries down. Well, I don't know how it's gonna dry down, but I just went to wipe off the finger that I put it on with, and it is completely dry. I mean, it is not moving even a little bit. Last we have a bubble tea. I have tried this brand in the past and really liked it. I got it was some kind of mint body wash that was fantastic. This is a strawberry macaron hand and body butter. Yes, please. Soothe and nourish with this uplifting hand and body butter, 50 ml, 1.69 fluid ounces. And that is what it looks like. So pink and nice. I can't wait to see. We're going to get in here and see what this smells like. This says it is a thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe, and refresh your dry skin. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. It has strawberry extracts and essential oils. All right, well, I want to try this, so we have to take this off. Oh, it has completely dried down. I was trying to see if I could see any of the glitter coming off of it because I felt like I saw something floating, but it's not the glitter. I think it's my wool sweater. Yeah, that is completely, I mean completely dried down. I don't think that would move on a bet. Very cool. I will tell you this though, I just cleaned it off with a facial wipe that I keep up here because I keep facial wipes to do quick cleanups after swatches. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the back of my hand is completely glittery. I don't know if that's coming across, but I'm gonna move forward. I'm sure if you were washing in a sink, it would be perfectly fine. Okay, this has a nice seal on it too. I love that all their items are sealed. It's nice and thick. It's really thick. Oh, strawberry. Strawberry, but it's that sweet strawberry, like when they're trying to make something smell like strawberry, but it's not quite strawberry, but it's still really fun and nice. I like it. Oh, it made my hands really soft. I actually want more. It is making my hands so soft, and my hands are completely absorbing it. This isn't gonna leave you greasy at all. I like this a lot. I don't know this bubble tea brand. I only ever get it in boxes, but every time I do, I'm really happy with whatever it is that I get. Yeah, the back of my hand, it feels amazing. All right, it smells good too. All right, so that is our February Look Fantastic box. Again, I will put a link below. If you have any interest, you will get your first box for $1. If you sign up for an annual, the beauty of an annual is you only pay month to month, and it's $16. And I just turned to the back of the book. Look away if you don't like spoilers. Okay, I just turned to the back of the book, and coming up next month, we have a deluxe sample of the Kristoff Robin Regenerating Mask. I love this mask. I picked it up maybe out of a FabFitFun. I think out of FabFitFun because I got the shampoo and then I got this to match. I like this a lot. And it says it has a £9, 77 pence, right? They use pence value, but here that's probably like $12 or $13. All right. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over, say hi below, let me know what you think of this box. There were a lot of samples in this one, but there were good ones. If you could use them all, we had a Balance Me peel and then the Illamasqua peel, and this is the Papaya Enzyme peel. And again, if you have tried this, let me know below. Did it work for you? What do you think? I have really sensitive skin, but I do love Illamasqua. Let me know if you've tried it. We got this Ico Lid Gloss, which just looked like a liquid eyeshadow, and it was coppery and nice. I will probably try that. The Illamasqua primer, which felt really nice. And although this is a deluxe sample, think about how much primer you use. This will probably last a month. The Magnetone 2 little cleansing pads, those are cool, and I will definitely use those. I keep a lingerie bag because I have so many of these little round things, and I only like to use them once. So I let them dry, and then I chuck them in that bag. And then when my pads start running out, I throw that lingerie bag in with a load, and it's very handy. And we got this incredible strawberry macaron scented hand and body butter, and it smells so good. Oh, and I'm still soft. And we know next month we're getting Kristoff Robin. Let me know below what you think. Thank you again so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.